So lesson learned from yesterday, we woke up early today so that even if there's unexpected things, we will not make it to a city that we wanted to. Second, instead of aiming for 300 kilometers, we're gonna aim around 200, which is what we actually did yesterday. And third, we decided not to go to Dalat because I looked it up on the internet, and while it does seem cool, the next city seems better, and we prefer to spend like more time in cities that we know we'll enjoy than just to rush our way through it. And yeah, back on the road today, day 2. Beautiful view of the mountains just outside our window. We arrived a little bit after sundown last night, so we didn't get to see that. How nice. Well, shit. I think the fuel is leaking.
What? That's us?
Off we go! Day 2! First things first, fix the leaking oil. Fix the leaking gas. No more leaks? That took 5 minutes. Great. How much was that?
50 cents
50 cents.
for new hoses and new filter.
Wow. 50 cents, 5 minutes. Now we're safe to go. I found out yesterday that it can get quite dusty here, so we stopped and got a little face mask. Branded. Only 15 kilometers in, but we haven't even had breakfast, so we decided to just stop for coffee. There's a bunch of these coffee shops like on the side of the road. Really cute, really nice, really cheap. So we figured, like, why even have breakfast at the hotel? It made no sense. Got out of the town and stopped at one of the first coffee shops we saw. Finally, we get proper drip good coffee. And where's that? In some village on the side of the road.
I'll hang off all your bones every hour, every day. Fucking your clothes.
So we're driving through this amazing smelling pine forest, and then we see there's like a lot of buses and tourists, and we're like, oh, well, there must be something interesting here. And turns out there's the waterfalls. The only thing I was a bit like sad about missing about Dalat is that we weren't gonna go visit the waterfalls, but they're actually on their way. So we just paid $1 for the ticket instead of 45 for the tour. I mean, we won't get to rock climb on them, but we get to see the waterfalls. This is the best pit stop ever!
Fucking your clothes. I'll hang off all your bones every hour, every day. Fucking your clothes. I'll hang off all your bones every hour, every day.
Taking the little choo-choo train, because honestly, just didn't want to walk up, but also this is so fun. Anyway, enough messing around, we're on a schedule. Let's
keep going. It's lunchtime, time for the daily pho stop. Wait, did I say pho? Spa. We've been going up the hills for the past 40 minutes maybe, and the corners and the view here is just breathtaking. I think we're at the top of the mountain right now, and look at this. It's just wow. It's also great because there's like barely any traffic on this road. We met a couple cows, but apart from that, it's like you see maybe every couple of minutes like a motorbike pass by, and that's it. It's like only us. Oh, I love it. It's the best. You wouldn't experience the same way in the car. I swear, it's just the best. I wish I knew how to drive a motorcycle right now. Found some nice little wild waterfalls. Ah, this is the best. Wow, those mountains were beautiful. It was the most beautiful drive in my whole life. I couldn't get enough of it. I was like, oh, I don't care if this drive is like 5 hours. I can just look at those mountains and those waterfalls and those valleys for 10 hours. I don't care. I don't ever want to get to the city we're going to. I just want to keep driving here.